right, Ian, what are we doing?
So right now, I'm pruning my mulberry tree that's right in front of my house. So that way the tree doesn't grow up and it grows out, and it's easier for me to pick the fruit. This tree got neglected and has never been pruned, so it's just been growing up. And if you leave it unpruned for long enough, it can get like that mulberry tree, which is really tall. And don't get me wrong, a really tall tree is important, but I can't get up there and reach all the fruit. Well, the birds do eat some of the mulberries, but a lot of them just end up falling on the concrete and people just walk on them. But who knows, less people walk around now because of the corona.
Okay. What are we doing?
So we're gonna harvest compost from over in the second part of the chicken run. You'll see that when we walk over there. So I'm gonna put food out here for them so they can hang out and they don't have to worry about me being over there. Come on, Chi-Chi, you don't need to lay eggs.
Go.
This is the happiest time of a chicken's life.
Oh my god. These ladies are feasting. Feast one. What are you doing? I told you not to start before I came back.
It's okay.
What are you doing?
I'm loosening up the soil so I can add more compost on top of it.
Have you done anything else since I was gone?
Just picked up garbage. Because that's like the most annoying part of being an urban farmer.
What is
garbage.
this?
I don't even know. Let's look at this.
Is that a joint clip?
No, this is not a joint clip. I think it's plastic. Yeah, this is definitely a bag.
Oh, there's tons of that.
Target, look. Target, take responsibility for your trash. Damn. Target's gonna come at me now. I called them out. So
Is that more of the Target bag?
So this is a bone. Because I put the bones out for my chickens and they get all the meat off of it. This will break down eventually, so I'm just gonna put this down like deep in here. So yeah, over time that will like release calcium for the soil. Alright, so let's finish preparing the soil and then we'll add the compost over.
Okay. Is there another one of these?
Alright, so over here we're going to be harvesting compost, and I just added hay the other day, and this hasn't broken down yet, but underneath all this it's been breaking down, and the chickens have been adding their manure, which is the nitrogen source for this compost pile. So the further down I go, the better soil I get to. And stuff like this down here is really rich, good compost that I could use out in the garden. And thanks to these ladies right here, look, they're already coming over here to get to this stupid stuff over here. Look at them. Yeah, there's tons of microorganisms in there that these chickens can eat that we can't even see. And they love it. They get to live in a good place. They make compost for the garden. They get anything from the garden we don't eat. And it's a pretty good system.
Nice.
Here, look at this. Alright, so this hay is already starting to break down. This part is dry and this part's wet, and the chickens have been getting to this and they're adding their nitrogen to it, to this carbon, creating compost. And look, here it is.
Oh, and the chicken's coming out.
All the stages, yeah, there they are. They're the ones we gotta thank for all this compost right now. Thanks, ladies. Buckets of that, and this whole
No.
3 hours later.
Right, we're finishing up. We just laid all this new compost on our garden bed.
Chi-Chi, do you want to eat some compost for the camera? No.
No, she
needs to maintain her pristine image for the internet.
Oh, here she goes. Eating compost. Chi-Chi!
What a pig!
Ew, why is she eating the compost?
It's really nutrient dense. She's just like, ooh, this is good.
Oh my god. What are we doing?
We're gonna add more hay so they can make more compost for us.
Is this our last chore for the day?
Yeah, the last chore, and then just clean up and collect the eggs at the very end.